Good morning, guys. Quick market update. Just want to take a look at an update from yesterday's video. Now, yesterday we were talking about getting a bounce from this area here to either make a flat or continuation into the top of the channel. Now it looks like we made a new higher high. So I'd be cautious here in trying to time the top, wait for the confirmation in order to short it, as we are pretty overextended. But try not to time it, otherwise you run into the risk of being wrong here. If you're eyeing along, time your stop losses or take profits. That's something I would do. Otherwise, I would not play this right here. Let's keep an eye on it. Now, next up, we're going to do FEYE. FEYE, we hit our target from beginning to end. We're getting a nice rejection here with the MAs, moving averages. Let's take a look. We don't want EMA. Gonna do a 200. There we go. So I'm expecting a pullback here, possibly to the 1695 area, somewhere around here. We're going to get a golden cross. However, there is a death cross happening right here, and potentially another one coming up. So let's keep an eye on this, as this could either find support around 1670 or 1650 area, somewhere around here, right down to the golden pocket again. If not, then we'll be looking at the $15 area. Right now, I have taken profit right up to the fib where my arrow's at. That seemed to be a good play. Let's take a look at Twitter. Twitter, we got that bounce off the arrow. We haven't made it to the fib yet. However, this was a little sloppy here. Try to do it quick. So it looks like we're in the middle, actually. So I am going to update this to a no trade. No trade here. However, if we can maintain this $30 area, we seem to have found support here, which is good. Okay, so let's maintain this trade. I have a stop loss around this area here. As long as it doesn't get hit, I'll still be in this trade, break even. I will be looking for a target around 32. Somewhere around the fib here. If not, then we will go back down to the $29 area to 28 here. Let's do this fib to finally touch it, and then we'll see if we get a bounce here. AMD. AMD has been pretty weak. Oh, one last thing on Twitter. I am expecting this to bounce up a little, at least to give me a wick. So if you're happen to be in this trade from yesterday, that you would have to consider either taking your profits or tying up your stop loss, or just get out of the trade completely. AMD. Let's see. So we hit our moving average up here. We got rejected, following our arrows pretty nicely. This arrow was on this play here. So I'm expecting more downside to go. And I would probably see, let's see. I want to see support somewhere around here. Oops, I move that. I'm going to want to see support somewhere in this area. Then we'll take a look. MU. MU might see more upside, actually. If we can stay above the $40 area, I can see this trying to, just say if we break 40, yeah, if we break the $41 area with conviction, I would see continuation into the 200 MA, the daily 200 moving average. That would probably be a good target for me. Otherwise, this is a possibility that we could see some kind of, maybe a head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders. No, this is too high. Well, let's keep an eye on it again. If we do our FEYE retracements again, let's take a look. Oh. Bear with me, guys. Okay, so we tapped the 382. It came back down, barely touched the 236. So like I said, if we can stay above this moving average, $41, I could see us going to the 50 or the 200 MA. So it'll be a nice target here. Oops. Let's keep these consistent. We're looking to a bit more upside. Now I'm going to make a separate video for the MJ sector here, just to keep this one short. If you have any stock picks you'd like me to go over in the channel for next time, go ahead and comment below. If you want to support this channel and would like to see more upcoming videos, go ahead and subscribe so we can grow together. If you have any suggestions for future video topics, please comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Chase safely. Bye.